Halley's Comet, a celestial voyager, a ball of ice and rock hurtling through the vast emptiness of space. This ancient traveler has been journeying through the cosmos for millennia, a silent witness to the birth and death of stars. Every 76 years it graces our skies, a celestial beacon reminding us of the universe's grandeur. Its appearance is a spectacle that has fascinated humanity for centuries, inspiring awe and wonder. But what if, instead of a spectacle, it became a harbinger of doom? What if this beautiful wanderer turned into a deadly threat? Imagine, if you will, this icy wanderer veering off course, its trajectory altered by the gravitational pull of a rogue planet. Such a scenario, though unlikely, is not entirely impossible. Instead of safely passing by, it sets its sights on Earth, on a collision course with our pale blue dot. The thought alone sends shivers down the spine. The implications are staggering, the consequences unimaginable. The very fabric of life on Earth would be threatened. Could we survive such a catastrophic event? Would our technology and ingenuity be enough to save us? Or would humanity, like the dinosaurs before us, be wiped out by a celestial bullet? The question lingers, a reminder of our vulnerability in the vastness of space. The impact would be instant and catastrophic, unleashing a force beyond our wildest nightmares. Imagine an explosion so powerful it dwarfs every nuclear weapon on Earth combined. The sheer magnitude of the blast would be unimaginable. A shockwave would ripple across the planet, leveling cities and igniting colossal wildfires. The destruction would be widespread and relentless. Millions would perish in an instant, their lives snuffed out by the overwhelming force of the impact. But the devastation wouldn't end there. The aftermath would be just as harrowing, if not more so. The impact would hurl billions of tons of dust and debris into the atmosphere, shrouding the Earth in an impenetrable veil of darkness. This would block out the sun's rays. The sun's life-giving rays would be blocked out, plunging the planet into an extended artificial winter. This darkness would last for months, if not years. Temperatures would plummet, crops would wither and die, and the delicate balance of our ecosystem would be thrown into chaos. The survival of countless species, including humans, would be at risk. Without sunlight, photosynthesis would cease, leading to a collapse of the food chain. Plants would die, followed by the herbivores that depend on them, and then the carnivores. The air would become thick with smoke and ash, making every breath a struggle. Those who survived the initial impact would face a new enemy, starvation. Food supplies would dwindle and clean water would become a precious commodity. Disease would run rampant in the cramped, unsanitary conditions of underground shelters. The world as we know it would be gone, replaced by a desolate, frozen wasteland. The question wouldn't be if humanity could survive, but how. Section 4. Survival of the fittest. But humans are a resilient species. Driven by the primal instinct to survive, we would adapt, just as we've done throughout history. Deep underground in fortified bunkers and shelters, pockets of humanity would endure. These survivors would rely on ingenuity and technology to create a semblance of normalcy in this new, hostile world. Hydroponic farms, powered by geothermal energy, could provide sustenance. Systems would cleanse the toxic atmosphere. Life would be harsh, unforgiving. But within these subterranean havens, hope would flicker. The human spirit, that indomitable force, would refuse to be extinguished. Section 5. The Phoenix Generation. Generations would be born into this subterranean world, a place where the sun's warmth and the sky's expanse were but distant memories. Their knowledge of the surface world would be limited to stories passed down through generations and simulations that tried to capture the essence of what once was. They would be a new breed of humans, shaped by hardship and adversity, their spirits forged in the crucible of survival. Yet, despite the challenges, they would be imbued with the same unyielding spirit of their ancestors, a testament to human resilience. And perhaps one day, when the skies cleared and the sun pierced through the gloom, they would see the world anew. These subterranean dwellers would emerge, stepping into the light for the first time in generations. They would inherit a shattered world, a landscape marked by the scars of past calamities. But within this devastation lay a blank canvas, an opportunity to rebuild, to start anew. They would have the chance to create a better future, one built on the lessons of the past. The impact of Halley's Comet would be a tragedy, a cataclysmic event that reshaped the world. It would serve as a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos. a humbling testament to the forces beyond our control. But from the ashes of destruction, like the mythical phoenix, a new era would dawn. This new era would be marked by hope and renewal, a testament to the enduring spirit of life. It would be defined by resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of a brighter future. And through it all, the enduring spirit